Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. So, these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances. Sagittarius, so you can watch that reading. And Sagittarius, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here. It's Messenger of Water, Nine of Water, and Eight of Earth. So, Sagittarius, you are a very skilled and talented person, a very knowledgeable one with a lot of experience. And today in your life, in your circumstance, you are committed to your goals and dreams. Whatever plans you have for yourself, you are working towards those plans today, and you are confident about yourself, confident about your skills and talents. And this is the time you are thinking about making things even more better for you. So, in your work circumstances, maybe you are trying to improve even much better than before. So, you are thinking of ways to improve your skills and talents, and you are having a lot of experience. And today, you are trying to be even better than before, implementing new ideas. That is the reason you are going to see success in your career very soon. So, the same way in your relationship, circumstances are good, things are going in a very positive way. You have a meaningful relationship with this person, you understand each other, and you are willing to change yourself or willing to be really flexible in this connection, understanding each other. And this may be the time whatever you wish for yourself will get fulfilled, guys, because you are someone with that intention to work together to build a harmonious partnership for both of you. So you are willing to change yourself for this person because you love them, and there is emotional security in this relationship. You feel happy, you have that sense of belonging and understanding in this connection, and you are a very good friend, or this person is truly friendly with you, and that is the reason you feel really comfortable with them, and you feel happy about the way you are being friendly with this person, helping them, or um, what to say, building a friendly relationship connection with this person you love. So things are going in a very positive way in this relationship for you, Sagittarius. So we will see what is the card. Empress. Again, a very beautiful card. So maybe it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe they are thinking of the next step. Maybe marriage or commitment. Something beautiful waiting to unfold very soon. And it may be uh, maybe it may be marriage or commitment, or maybe you are starting a family together. So this person loves you and they are thinking of you always, and they are planning for the next step, planning the big step in your life. So very soon this person is coming to tell you something very important. It may be a proposal of love. So something good is happening today, guys. Sagittarius. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's High Priestess. So in your work as well, you are feeling truly inspired, happy. But if you have some doubts, if certain things were not clear, today even that is clearing up. You are going to see with clarity what will work, or what will be the right thing, what will be the right choice for you. So that is the energy with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this first card, we will see what it is. Tambulina, expectations. So in your circumstances today, you may feel that people are not treating you the right way. People do not value you or respect you for what you are. There are a lot of challenges you are facing right now. But you need to understand that if you do not know the worth of something, we will not know anything, the value of something, we will not know anything of that object. So, the same way, people do not know your value. That is the reason they are not treating you the right way. So, you are going to find the people who will respect you and who will understand you as you are. And people, your soul family, will find you. And you do not have to accept relationships where you feel that you do not love them and they do not love you. And maybe today you may have something confusing you, lack of clarity may be there. You may feel ridiculed or rejected for being different, but you need to understand that at the right time you will find what you are, your true name, your true soul family. And this is the time for you to make your own friendship, make your own, find your own relationship. It is time for you to take care of yourself, to choose for yourself, and maybe in all these troubles and challenges, do not lose hope and do not lose your warm spirit, that warm heart you have, because you are a very loving and a very kind person. You should never forget that. And there is no one like you. You are so unique, and you will find the people who are unique like you, who are similar like you. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, This is a crystal spirit card. So, this crystal spirit card is here to tell us that angels are there guiding us today, guiding us in our life, nudging us forward, or whispering to us, sending us love, and helping us in any specific challenges we are facing in this relationship. So, these angels are our friend, the perfect teacher, and the ones who heal us, and the ones who heal us by connecting us to people who are like us. So, sometimes you may feel that strangers may tell you some words and it may have a very deep impact on you. You need to understand that it is the angel's message for you, guidance from the angels coming through some strangers at some time. So you need to pay attention to those help or the unexpected help that is coming to you. And today, if you reach out to these angels, if you just pray to them in a very, what to say, pray to them in a very open way, telling them what you need in your heart of hearts. If it is a very simple prayer, a heartfelt cry for help, that is going to give you the answers you need today, guys. And the angels and guides who are here looking for you, looking out for you, will come out, reach out for your prayer, and will help you today. So, a very beautiful guidance here, guys. And this crystal is about opening the chakras in our body to welcome the blessings and abundance that is coming, that is all around us, and to clear all the energetic attachments we may have. So, this is the stone for us to feel that connection towards that higher power, angels or God, whatever we may call it. So, that is the energy here with this card for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.